Hello everyone and welcome back for another video day. Today we are going to test out the Kenotek Pro wheel cleaner. We're gonna see how good it performs, how much of the dirt brake dust actually it gets off. So I have the car here. It has driven 5,000 kilometers over these 3 weeks. So there's a lot of brake dust on the car, so we're gonna see how powerful this product is and how much it gets off without agitating it. And after, if it isn't fully clean, I'm gonna agitate the wheel and just rinse it off, and then we'll see the product. But we will start with that and see how it performs. I'm gonna show you guys the wheels first, that you can see how dirty they are before spraying it. Here is a line of a clean surface. Clean, it's like I say. But you can see there is a lot of brake dust on it, so I'm gonna soak the wheel with wheel cleaner, and then after we're gonna rinse it and we'll see the result of it. So it's on there for 2 minutes now. So I'm gonna rinse it off and we will see how much of the dirt it removed. So the wheels are sprayed off now, and if you're going with our finger over it, you can see there is still a little layer of dirt on the wheels, so they aren't fully clean, so I need to spray them again. Normally they will be fully clean, so let's do that first. I will put you guys again on my bucket. So now the wheels are fully cleaned. So if we are going over with our finger, the wheels are perfectly clean. So that is the most important thing. Product smells really bad, but we'll go inside. So we're done with the Kenotek Pro wheel cleaner. I washed them 2 times. First time, of course, to see how much of the dirt it removed. And it removed a lot, but it left a little layer of brake dust on the wheels. So to get that off, I agitate them, of course. But normally if you spray it on, you agitate them and you spray them off, your brake dust should be gone for a normal maintenance wheel wash, of course. It's a non-dilutable product. I like dilutable products. This is ready from the bottle. Some people like that, so that's what you prefer, of course. It stinks a little bit. It doesn't matter for me, but for some people. But it is a very cheap product. Pick one up for yourself and try it out for yourself, of course. And let me know in the comments if you have tried it before and what your conclusion is on the product. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I see you guys on the next one. Ciao!